In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take computer science notes on Notion. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a ready-made structure for your class notes that you can customize to fit your course, your learning style, and your workflow. First, open Notion on your computer. On the left-hand side of the screen, look at the sidebar. Near the bottom of that sidebar, you'll see an option labeled Marketplace. Go ahead and click on Marketplace. This is where Notion collects templates made by the community and by Notion itself, so you don't have to build everything from scratch. Once the Marketplace opens, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click into that search bar and type the phrase Computer Science Note. Using this specific phrase helps narrow down the results to templates that are already designed for lectures, coding topics, algorithms, and other concepts you'll encounter in your classes. After you hit enter, you'll see a list of templates related to computer science notes. Take a moment to scroll through the options. You might see templates geared toward lecture notes, exam review, or project tracking. Look at the preview images and short descriptions to get a feel for each one. You want a layout that matches how you like to study. For example, if you prefer having sections for definitions, code snippets, and practice problems, choose a template that clearly separates those areas. If you love databases and tags, look for something that includes tables or properties for topics, difficulty, or due dates. Once you've found a template that looks like a good fit, click on it to open its detail page. Here, you can usually see a larger preview, sometimes with multiple pages or an example class already filled in. This is a great chance to imagine your own notes in that structure and decide if it feels intuitive for you. When you're happy with your choice, look for the button labeled Add. Click on Add to bring this template into your own Notion workspace. Notion will create a copy of that template under your pages, and from there, you can rename it to match your course, like Intro to Computer Science or Data Structures, and start replacing the sample content with your own lecture notes, homework breakdowns, and code examples. That's all you need to get started. From here, it's just a matter of using the template consistently throughout the semester, so all your computer science notes stay organized.